come 5 little sharks swimming in the sea. 5 little sharks swam in the sea. Wiggle, splash, and Mama Shark said, swim, swim, swim. Come back, my little shark. But only 4 little sharks came back. Where's the 5th one?
4 little sharks swam near the reef, chasing fish and having fun. What a brief! We're happy.
Mama Shark said, swim, swim, swim. Come back now, little sharks.
But only 3 little sharks came back.
Where are the rest of you?
2 little sharks swam near the shore, playing in bubbles and diving some more.
Mama Shark said, swim, swim, swim. Come back, my little ones. But only 1 little shark came back. Where are the others? Mama Shark went out to find her crew, calling them loudly, swim back, do-do-do. Come back,